Okay, let's go.
Welcome back to your favorite English channel. I'm so glad you're here for part 2 of our lesson. Stop saying this in English, say this instead. In the first part, we corrected common grammar mistakes and learned how to sound polite and natural. Today, we'll go deeper. We'll fix vocabulary mistakes, practice pronunciation, learn real English for daily life, and explore more ways to express how you feel with confidence. Let's begin. Many students say, "I'm very interesting in English." It sounds almost right, but it's not. In English, we use interested to describe how we feel and interesting to describe the thing. So, say, "I'm interested in English," not "I'm interesting in English." Listen, I'm interested in English. This movie is interesting. The teacher is interesting. The students are interested. Imagine Maria. She tells her class, "I'm very interesting in English." Her teacher smiles kindly and says, "Maria, the class is interesting, but you are interested." Maria repeats, "I'm interested in English." She laughs, and everyone remembers it. Now, another common mistake. She's married with a doctor. In English, we say married to. So, she's married to a doctor. You can also say, he's married to a teacher, or they're married to each other. Remember, with means together with, but to connects the relationship. Next age. Many learners say, "I have 25 years. That's a translation from other languages. In English, we say, "I'm 25 years old," or simply, "I'm 25. We use the verb be, not have. Here's a mini story. Ollie meets someone new at a cafe. They ask, "How old are you?" Ollie answers, "I have 27 years. His new friend smiles and says, "In English, we say, I'm 27. Ollie repeats, "I'm 27. It's a small change, but he feels proud of saying it right. Now pronunciation. English pronunciation can be tricky because we don't always say all the letters. For example, comfortable. Many students pronounce every syllable comfortably, but native speakers say comfortably. Try it slowly, comfortable. Another one, Wednesday. We write WDNESDY, but we say Wednesday. Say it softly, Wednesday. The middle sound disappears. And chocolate, not chocolate. We say chocolate. Short, simple, natural. Here's a small story. Lena visits a shop and asks, "Do you have any chocolate?" The shopkeeper tilts his head. Lena repeats, "Chocolate," this time faster, smoother. He smiles, chocolate. Pronunciation makes all the difference. Let's use them in sentences. This sofa is very comfortable. Today is Wednesday. I love chocolate. Notice how each sentence sounds smooth when spoken naturally. Now let's move to real English that people use every day. Sometimes textbooks teach sentences that sound correct but aren't common in real life. Let's replace them with phrases real people use. A common one, "I'm not understand." This is incorrect. We say, "I don't understand," because understand is a verb, not an adjective. So you say, "I don't understand this question," or "I don't understand what you mean." Here's another. It depends of the situation. In English, we say depends on, not depends of. It depends on the situation. It depends on my schedule. It depends on the weather. That small preposition makes a big difference. Now, one that confuses almost everyone, borrow and lend. If you take something from someone, you borrow it. If you give something to someone, you lend it. So don't say, "Can you borrow me your pen?" Say, "Can you lend me your pen?" Or more politely, "Could you lend me your pen, please?" Here's a short classroom story. Ben forgot his notebook. He asks Anna, "Can you borrow me your notebook?" Anna laughs, "I can lend it to you, but you borrow it from me." Ben smiles, "Okay, can you lend me your notebook?" Now he'll never forget. Let's add one more real English correction. I am agree. That's a very common one. We don't use am because agree is already a verb. So just say, "I agree. I agree with you." She agrees with her friend. It sounds cleaner and more natural. Now let's talk about feelings. English has many ways to express emotions. If you only use happy, tired, or hungry, you sound flat. Let's make your speech more expressive. Instead of "I'm very happy," try "I'm so happy," "I'm really happy," "I'm excited," or "I'm thrilled." Instead of "I'm very tired," say "I'm exhausted." Instead of "I'm very hungry," say "I'm starving." When you use these stronger words, your speech sounds alive. Here's a scene. After a long day, Dr. Sophia says, "I'm very tired and very hungry." Her friend replies, say, "I'm exhausted and I'm starving." Sophia repeats, "I'm exhausted. I'm starving." It sounds real and powerful. Now let's look at polite English in daily life. Many people say, "Give me water." That's understandable, but it sounds direct. You can make it polite by saying, "Could I have some water, please?" Instead of "I want coffee," say, "I'd like a coffee." Instead of "repeat again," say, "Please repeat that." Being polite shows respect and makes communication smoother. Imagine this story. At a cafe, George says to the waiter, "Give me tea." The waiter nods, but seems a little cold. Next time, George says, "Could I have some tea, please?" The waiter smiles warmly. Polite English makes a difference in how people respond to you. Let's review and add some quick bonus examples you can practice. Wrong. He go to work every day. Correct. He goes to work every day. Wrong. She don't like coffee. Correct. She doesn't like coffee. Wrong. I didn't went there. Correct. I didn't go there. Wrong. She is more prettier. Correct. She is prettier. Wrong. He doesn't goes to school. Correct. He doesn't go to school. Wrong. She can dance. Correct. She can dance. Now let's add pronunciation practice for a few more words learners often say incorrectly. Vegetable sounds like vegetable, not vegetable. Comfortable sounds like comfortably. Restaurant is restaurant, not restaurant. Clothes has a soft sound, say claws, not clothius. Let's use them. We ate lunch at a restaurant. I bought new clothes. This chair is comfortable. She doesn't like vegetables. Listen and repeat slowly until the rhythm feels natural. Now, some natural phrases that replace direct translations. Instead of "I have a doubt," say "I have a question." Instead of "open the light," say "turn on the light." Instead of "close the fan," say "turn off the fan." These are small but important habits that make you sound fluent. Here's one last mini story. Tom is at home. He says, "Open the light, please." His friend laughs gently. We say, "Turn on the light." Tom smiles, "Turn on the light." Simple corrections lead to natural English. Let's review everything from today's lesson. You learned to say, "I'm interested," not "I'm interesting." Married to, not married with. I'm 25, not I have 25 years. You practiced correct pronunciation of comfortable, Wednesday, chocolate, vegetable, and restaurant. You learned real conversation corrections. I don't understand, not I'm not understand. It depends on, not it depends of. Can you lend me, not can you borrow me? And polite alternatives. Could I have, not give me. I'd like, not I want. Please repeat that, not repeat again. Finally, expressive feelings. I'm thrilled, I'm exhausted, I'm starving. You've done a lot today. Learning English takes time and patience, but every time you correct a mistake, your speech becomes clearer and more confident. Repeat these phrases out loud and listen to yourself. That's how fluency begins. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, leave a friendly comment, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. Your feedback helps this learning community grow. If you want to keep improving, explore English courses on Udemy by clicking on the link in the video description or channel banner. And if you'd like to support this channel and future lessons, you can buy me a coffee by also clicking on the link in the video description or channel banner. Thank you for joining me for part 2 of Stop Saying This in English, Say This Instead. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in your English progress. You're improving every single day. Make sure to repeat this video to practice again. Take care, and I'll see you soon for another real and simple English lesson.